Hello! I am back with another Paula Young unboxing and review. This is Emery. I don't know if you can see that. Emery in color 1426, which is the Sunkissed blonde. Let's see, I'm super excited. Alright, so we have our paper. She is in the netting. And I'm losing pieces. Alright. Oh, she's so soft. So soft. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love these little curtain bangs. I do feel the lace front. So you've got the lace front right there. Just has the regular width nape. And of course the hook and loop closures. So we do have ear tabs with the metal bendy pieces. So let's shake her out best we can. I don't have a good grip. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Now, there we go. Fix the ear tabs. And ooh. Okay, I'm just gonna brush her out a little bit so we're not so tangly looking. There we go. All right, so this is Emery. I like how she stays off the face more. I feel like maybe the cap is a little bigger than others. Doesn't seem to be a problem. I feel that extra in there. Just you do this and you can kind of feel it moving around. But here you go. This one is super duper cute. Obviously fixed the part a little bit. I'll do that later on, but you can see, and I'll turn for you. And then back to the front. So, this one is super cute. I love this lace front. Of course, I need to pull my hairs out. There we go. Oh, she's cute. She's so cute. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like and subscribe. I've got several more videos to do, so if you like and subscribe, you can stay in touch. You can see the others. And yeah, I've also got yet another order coming because that's me. So anyways, let me know. I'll see y'all later. Bye.